It begins with the mother glass, a substrate thinner than a hair but larger than a king-sized bed, inspected for microscopic imperfections.
Before a single circuit is printed, ultrasonic jets strip away invisible contaminants with molecular precision. Inside a vacuum chamber, we sputter indium tin oxide to create a transparent conductive layer, the invisible nervous system of your screen. Liquid photoresist is spun onto the surface, creating a light-sensitive canvas ready for patterning. In the amber-lit lithography bay, UV light burns the blueprint of millions of transistors into the chemical coating.
Chemical baths wash away the excess, leaving behind a microscopic city of thin film transistors.
Technicians verify the sub-pixel architecture, millions of tiny gates waiting to control the flow of light. A nano-grooved alignment layer is printed, creating a highway for the liquid crystals to orient themselves. Here is the magic, the one-drop fill. Precise picoliters of liquid crystal are deposited with nanosecond timing. In a vacuum, the transistor glass and color filter glass sandwich the liquid crystal, spreading it into a uniform film. Nanosecond lasers dice the massive mother glass into individual smartphone-sized panels, cauterizing the edges instantly. Polarizing filters are rolled on, organizing the light waves and turning the transparent stack into a functional black screen. The brain is attached, a driver IC bonded directly to the glass to interpret your touch and video signals. Layers of diffusers and a backlight unit are stacked behind the panel to provide the canvas of light. Power on. From a drop of fluid to Ultra HD brilliance, the transformation is complete.